Hey y'all, welcome back to Band Outdoors. So we went out and fished today. We got one trout, so I'm just gonna walk you through how we're gonna clean the trout. So we're just gonna take it and insert the knife through the vent and shimmy back and forth all the way up through jaw up here like that, and then you can kind of see where this little V is, that little indentation, and you're just gonna pop your knife, if I can get it. So you're just gonna pop your knife in through there like so. And so now all you're going to do, you'll be able to see the tongue, and so you'll grab right there that jaw and just rip, and you'll get all that intestines and everything. And that's all the intestines, all the trash can go over there. And now, as you can see, there's a blood vein that you want to clean out. So just dip it in the water and you can just run your finger through, and you'll get all that blood out, that vein out. You just want to wash it out. Now you got a cleaned trout. That's all there is to it. You just gotta get that blood out. You got yourself a nice clean trout. So hopefully that helps. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see y'all on the next one.